Today we're going to talk about the best practices to obtain the W-9s for anybody that performs work for you that is not incorporated. Hi, you've reached Donna Blackwell of Personalized Bookkeeping and Tax Service. Because we're all aware of, by January 31st of the following year, you must send out 1099s. One thing is, in your business, let's make this a procedure of collecting vendor information that you request a W-9 from the person that you're setting up a vendor. Next, we're going to talk about the $600 rule. A lot of people are confused about the $600 rule. It's not just any payment you pay over $600. It's $600 throughout the year. You could pay them $50 a month and you went over the $600, so you're required to send them a 1099 out at the end of the year. Another good practice that would be good for small business owners is do not pay them the money you owe them without the W-9, because you know it's a lot easier to get the W-9 when you owe them money than it is at the January when you're trying to collect data to create your 1099s. Now, if a customer or a vendor is unwilling to give you a W-9, you are supposed to withhold 28% of what you owe them and send that to the IRS, and good luck with that. So let's talk about the 1099s at the end of the year. The IRS requires you to collect data as their name, social security number, or federal ID number to send out 1099s of money that you've paid them. So the IRS looks for them to file a tax return. If for any reason you send 1099s out with incorrect data, the IRS can come back to you and ask for 28% of that withholding for that vendor that you paid them. So if you paid them $100,000, how much is 28%? $28,000. It can break a bit small business. And I've been seeing that come out more in the last year or so than I've ever seen it in my lifetime. Now, there is one exception on 1099s. If a business is incorporated, so at the end of the business you see an INC or a CO, most likely they're incorporated. You are not required to send out 1099s for any business that's incorporated. But a rule of thumb is it wouldn't hurt to request the W-9 so they can put down their status if they are a corporation or not. Anybody that's an LLC, a partnership, a sole proprietorship, or an individual, they must receive a 1099. So let's keep it our best practice to request those W-9s before we make the first payment. Make your 1099s at the January process a lot smoother. It's very important. You don't want to be the one paying for them when you can't find them at the end of the year. Thank you, and look forward to seeing more of us, more videos on how to best practice and help your small businesses.